Looking to upgrade your toolkit in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down 20 insane Milwaukee tools that are absolutely worth it this year. From high-powered vacuums and precision lasers to versatile saws and pro-grade plumbing gear, these tools are built for performance, durability, and efficiency, helping you finish every job faster, cleaner, and with total confidence. The Milwaukee Debris Separator is a game-changer for cleanup. It removes up to 99% of debris before it reaches your vacuum filter, keeping suction strong and reducing maintenance. Designed to fit neatly between the motor and tank, there are no extra hoses or bulky canisters slowing you down. Part of the Nexus modular vacuum system, it connects seamlessly with interchangeable motor heads, tanks, and carts, letting you customize your setup for any project. This integrated design ensures consistent airflow, extending filter life and allowing longer, uninterrupted work sessions. Ideal for construction sites, workshops, or woodworking areas, it saves time, minimizes downtime, and maintains a cleaner environment. Durable, compact, and easy to use, the Milwaukee Debris Separator is an essential tool for anyone who wants smarter, more efficient cleanup. Achieve professional-level accuracy with the Milwaukee Laser Accessories Kit. Equipped with three 360-degree laser planes, one horizontal and two vertical, it's perfect for leveling, squaring, and layout tasks. Its high-intensity green laser is visible up to 250 feet, even in bright environments. Powered by a 4.0 Ah M12 battery, it provides over 15 hours of continuous operation, ideal for long projects. Rare earth magnets keep it stable on metal surfaces, and the integrated micro-adjustment bracket allows precise alignment without moving the base. IP54 rated protection ensures resistance against dust and splashes, while compatibility with all M12 batteries lets you integrate it seamlessly into your existing system. Contractors, DIYers, and professionals can rely on this kit for consistent precision, flexibility, and durability. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about layout and alignment tasks. The Milwaukee Ringer Roll Groover makes grooving pipes faster and effortless. Designed for sprinkler fitters and plumbers, it delivers precise grooves with adjustable depth controls for different pipe sizes and materials. Its cordless design offers freedom to work anywhere without cumbersome cords or hoses. The compact, lightweight body allows use in tight spaces, while one battery charge powers multiple grooves, keeping productivity high throughout the day. The advanced RedLink Plus intelligence system ensures safe, consistent performance, and the brushless power state motor provides the strength and runtime needed for demanding jobs. Ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue and guesswork, the Ringer Roll Groover helps operators work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. From residential plumbing to industrial applications, this tool saves time, improves accuracy, and is an indispensable addition to any professional's toolkit. Maintain tires effortlessly with the Milwaukee Cordless Tire Inflator. Its TrueFill technology automatically checks and fills tires to the exact PSI, while the auto shutoff prevents overinflation. Designed for passenger, light truck, and medium-duty tires, it can handle pressures up to 150 psi. The compact and portable design, with onboard storage for the 36-inch hose and attachments, allows use anywhere, garage, workshop, or roadside. 4 memory slots and anti-vibration feet make it convenient for repeated tasks, and M18 battery compatibility ensures reliable power wherever needed. Lightweight yet robust, it delivers professional-level performance in a single all-in-one tool. Perfect for mechanics, DIYers, and vehicle owners, this tire inflator keeps your wheels safe, properly inflated, and ready to go, saving time while providing precise, consistent, and hassle-free operation. The Milwaukee Jump Starter takes the stress out of vehicle starting. Using built-in capacitors and any M18 battery, it delivers up to 2,000 peak amps, powering engines up to 8.1-liter gas or 3-liter diesel in under 70 seconds. Designed for extreme conditions, it operates reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring dependable starts in cold or hot environments. The capacitors are rated for 500,000 cycles, and a single M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery can provide up to 70 jump starts per charge. Easy-to-use clamps make connection fast and safe. Compact, durable, and maintenance-free, it's ideal for mechanics, contractors, or anyone needing emergency vehicle power. With the Milwaukee Jump Starter, you can start engines quickly, reduce downtime, and have peace of mind knowing your vehicles will run whenever needed.
Trim high branches with ease using the Milwaukee pole saw and pruner. Its high-leverage pruning head cuts through thick limbs effortlessly, while the chrome-plated saw blade handles branches up to 7 inches. The impact-resistant aluminum head withstands drops and rough handling, while the telescoping pole extends from 7 to 16 feet with a spring button and friction clamp dual lock for secure work at height. Onboard rope storage keeps the tool organized, and the foldable blade locks safely for transport. Lightweight fiberglass and aluminum construction ensures comfort and durability, reducing fatigue during extended use. Designed for landscaping professionals, arborists, and homeowners, it delivers precise, efficient, and long-lasting performance. This pole saw and pruner is perfect for tree maintenance, professional pruning tasks, or any project requiring extended reach without sacrificing control or safety. The Milwaukee Backpack Vacuum is a powerhouse for cleaning large areas efficiently. Its integrated cyclone separator keeps filters clear, maintaining strong suction and extending filter life. The PowerState brushless motor with RedLink Plus intelligence delivers 70 CFM and 55 inches of water lift, handling dust, debris, and fine particles with ease. Paired with an M18 Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 battery, it provides over 40 minutes of continuous runtime, covering more than 1,350 square feet on a single charge. The backpack design, padded harness, and wear-hang-carry options ensure comfort during long shifts. Ergonomic handles and tethered remote allow precise control without wrist strain. Onboard storage accommodates 5 accessories, while a HEPA filter captures 99% of particles over 0.3 microns. Lightweight yet powerful, this vacuum handles floors, overhead areas, and tight spaces with professional efficiency. The Milwaukee Subcompact Impact Wrench is perfect for tight spaces under hoods or machinery. At just 4.5 inches long and 2 inches wide, it easily fits where traditional tools cannot. Equipped with the Red Lithium High CP 2.5 battery, it delivers up to 225 foot-pounds of torque and 30% faster application speeds. Weighing only 1.6 pounds as a bare tool, it reduces fatigue during extended work. Tri-LED work lights illuminate the area for precision, while the variable speed trigger and 4-mode drive control allow exact torque adjustments. The friction ring socket retention system keeps sockets secure, and bolt removal mode prevents drops by slowing RPM. Auto shutoff avoids over-tightening. Compact, powerful, and versatile, the Milwaukee Subcompact Impact Wrench is ideal for automotive repair, machinery maintenance, and any project where space is limited but performance is critical. The Milwaukee Framing and Demolition Circular Blade is built for heavy-duty construction work. Carbide teeth provide aggressive cutting performance and last up to 5 times longer than standard blades when cutting wood with nails. Its diamond venting system reduces heat buildup, ensuring straighter, smoother cuts and extended blade life. Effective on wet lumber, treated wood, plywood, and laminated materials such as LVL, it maintains sharpness and speed throughout demanding jobs. Compatible with both corded and cordless saws, this blade is versatile for a variety of tools. From demolition tasks to framing projects, it saves time by reducing frequent blade changes while providing precise, clean results. Durable and efficient, the Milwaukee Framing and Demolition Circular Blade is a must-have for contractors, carpenters, and DIYers tackling tough construction work. The Milwaukee Backpack Blower delivers exceptional airflow, outperforming many gas-powered models without emissions or pull start hassles. Its power-state brushless motor produces up to 800 CFM and 190 mph while maintaining noise levels around 64 decibels. 3 power modes allow precise adjustments directly on the tool or through the One Key app, which also tracks inventory and secures the blower remotely. The MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery offers 20 to 45 minutes of runtime, ideal for long work sessions. Adjustable harness, telescoping nozzle, and customizable handle positions provide maximum comfort for operators of all sizes. Lightweight yet powerful, this blower is perfect for landscaping professionals, construction cleanup, or any site requiring efficient debris removal. With gas-like performance and low maintenance, the Milwaukee Backpack Blower is a versatile and indispensable tool for professionals. The Milwaukee Rammer combines power, efficiency, and safety for compaction tasks. Its brushless power-state motor delivers harder impacts and faster travel without losing performance. Push-button start and gas-free operation reduce downtime, maintenance, and emissions, while the compact design allows use in trenches, sidewalks, and confined areas. A centralized interface controls start, stop, and fast or slow travel, and auto stop shuts the unit off if tipped. MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 batteries provide 25 minutes of continuous runtime, enough for a quarter mile of compaction per charge. Cool cycle technology keeps both motor and battery ready for extended use, while RedLink Intelligence protects against overloads. One Key compatibility allows tracking, inventory management, and remote lockout. Efficient, durable, and reliable, the Milwaukee Rammer is ideal for contractors seeking professional-level compaction without gas engines or added emissions. The Milwaukee Bolt Type 2 full-brim safety helmet provides maximum protection for demanding work environments. Lightweight yet durable, it shields the head from top and side impacts while remaining comfortable during long shifts. Adjustable padded suspension, a 5-point chin strap, and a removable antimicrobial sweatband ensure a secure and hygienic fit. 4 bolt accessory slots and 2 universal slots allow integration of tools, lights, or markers directly onto the helmet. A headlamp mount and marker clip further enhance functionality. ANSI Type 2 certified, this helmet meets rigorous safety standards, making it suitable for construction, industrial, and outdoor jobs. Customizable with company logos, it combines protection, comfort, and versatility. The Milwaukee Bolt helmet ensures professionals remain safe while maintaining maximum functionality and adaptability for diverse job site needs. The Milwaukee Steel Pipe Cutter is designed for fast, precise cuts on metal piping. Its compact, lightweight design is powered by M18 Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 batteries, delivering the same output as larger units without extra bulk. Cool cycle technology ensures the battery and tools stay cool during heavy workloads, while RedLink Intelligence protects against overload and ensures consistent performance. Durable construction withstands harsh job site conditions, making it ideal for plumbing, HVAC, or metal fabrication. Quick blade changes and ergonomic handles allow continuous, comfortable operation. Fully compatible with over 250 M18 tools, it integrates seamlessly into professional toolkits. Long runtime, rapid recharge, and cordless freedom make this steel pipe cutter a reliable, efficient solution for tradespeople seeking precision and productivity on every cut. The Milwaukee Dust Extractor keeps job sites clean, safe, and productive. Automatic filter cleaning maintains consistent airflow, reducing downtime and letting you focus on the task. VacLink wireless technology starts the extractor automatically when compatible tools are used, capturing dust as it's generated. It handles both dry and wet debris efficiently, while pack-out compatibility makes storage and transport simple. Integrated one-key technology allows inventory tracking, management, and tool security. Efficient, durable, and reliable, the Milwaukee Dust Extractor is adapted to diverse work environments, whether construction, woodworking, or industrial sites. Strong suction, smart automation, and reliable operation make it an essential component of any professional's toolkit. With the Milwaukee Dust Extractor, cleanup becomes effortless, keeping air quality high and workspaces organized, while maintaining maximum efficiency and productivity throughout the day. The Milwaukee Rebar cutter provides fast, clean, and safe cutting of reinforced steel. Ergonomic handles and intuitive controls reduce operator fatigue while allowing precise, controlled cuts. Its durable construction withstands harsh job site conditions, making it ideal for ironworkers, contractors, and construction professionals. Quick blade changes and a compact design enable continuous, efficient operation. Fully compatible with the M18 battery system, it provides cordless convenience and integrates seamlessly with other Milwaukee tools. By minimizing sparks and maintaining control, it improves job site safety while maximizing productivity. Whether working on commercial projects or smaller construction sites, the Milwaukee Rebar cutter delivers professional-grade performance, speed, and precision for steel reinforcement tasks. It's a must-have tool for anyone cutting steel bars safely and efficiently. The Milwaukee Chain Snake tackles clogged pipes quickly and efficiently. Its battery-powered operation eliminates the need for cords or drills, giving freedom to work anywhere. Variable speed controls and intuitive operation make navigating tight bends and long pipe runs simple. The compact design allows fast setup, while tough construction ensures consistent power through stubborn blockages. Optional attachments and multiple chain knockers adapt the tool to different pipe sizes and conditions, enhancing versatility. Lightweight yet durable, it allows plumbers and contractors to restore flow quickly, saving time and reducing labor. With cordless freedom, reliable performance, and ease of use, the Milwaukee Chain Snake is an essential plumbing tool for tackling everyday clogs, keeping projects on schedule, and improving workflow efficiency in both residential and commercial applications. The Milwaukee Gauge Nibbler makes cutting sheet metal precise, controlled, and effortless. Its lightweight, compact design ensures maneuverability in tight spaces, while variable speed settings allow customized cuts for mild or stainless steel. A chip collection bag keeps the workspace clean, and built-in LED lighting improves visibility for accurate work. Tool-free die rotation allows quick adjustments, minimizing downtime and boosting productivity. Fully compatible with the M18 battery system, it delivers cordless freedom and consistent power across job sites. Designed for sheet metal, HVAC, fabrication, and construction work, this nibbler ensures smooth, accurate, and efficient cuts, reducing operator fatigue. Whether tackling straight edges, curves, or intricate shapes, the Milwaukee Gauge Nibbler provides professional performance, control, and reliability, making it an indispensable addition to any tradesperson's or fabricator's toolkit. Those were 20 insane Milwaukee tools that are truly worth it in 2026. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, these tools deliver the power, precision, and reliability needed to tackle any project with confidence. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tool reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.